Choosing the perfect evening dress for your body type. One of the most challenging wardrobe decisions we often face is picking out the perfect evening dress. Endless wedding invitations, graduation ceremonies, and more. While some are still pondering what to wear, you've already started browsing online. So, let's dive into tips and tricks without delay. Every woman is beautiful. A woman who knows her body and dresses in styles and details that suit her is also stylish. As with other clothing choices, understanding your body is crucial when selecting an evening gown. In this video, we'll discuss body types and the key details for achieving the perfect look. Pear-shaped body. This body type features a narrow waist and wider lower body. It is the most common body type among women. The focus should be on the upper body while choosing flowing and voluminous designs for the lower body. Strapless, halter neck, or V-neck dresses. A-line, ball gown, or flared skirts. Large prints or chiffon fabrics. Accessories like belts or sashes at the waist. Avoid figure-hugging fabrics like satin. Inverted triangle body. This body type has broad shoulders and a relatively smaller lower body. Often referred to as athletic body, swimmer's physique, or strawberry body type, the goal is to balance the shoulder width with the rest of the body by creating openness in the chest area. Deep U or V-neck dresses, to elongate the neck and balance proportions. Dresses with chest cutouts, sweetheart necklines, thick straps, puffy, flared, or A-line skirts starting from the waistline. Corset-style tops or wide belts as accessories. Slit dresses to shift attention from the upper body to the legs. Avoid padded shoulders, boat necks, off-the-shoulder designs, or ruffled details, as they can exaggerate shoulder width. Hourglass body. With balanced shoulders and hips, a defined waist, and proportionate upper body, this is considered the most desirable body type. Nearly any style or cut will complement this figure. Backless dresses can add extra allure. Mermaid-style dresses are ideal for hourglass figures. Off-the-shoulder, boat neck, strapless, or thin strap designs. A-line, slit, or two-piece dresses. Rectangular body. If you have a straight silhouette with little to no curves, your body type is rectangular. The aim is to create the illusion of curves. Avoid dresses with a strong emphasis on the waist. Baby doll necklines, ruffled necklines, cowl necks, and sweetheart necklines. A-line, straight cut, or empire waist skirts to enhance proportion. Shoulder detail designs. Slits to draw attention to the legs. Opt for simple designs on the upper body and avoid belts or sashes. Oval body. Similar to the rectangular body type, but with a slightly broader waist compared to the upper and lower body, creating an oval shape. The goal is to make the waist appear slimmer and create balance. Geometric necklines, like V-neck or U-neck. Wrap dresses, A-line skirts, or straight-cut skirts. Dark-colored fabrics or vertical striped or patterned flowing fabrics. Avoid bodycon styles, as they can make you appear larger. Diamond body. This body type shares similarities with the pear shape, but with more pronounced curves. Diamond-shaped bodies feature narrow shoulders, wide hips, and noticeable, attractive legs. Dresses that highlight the lower legs work best. Off-the-shoulder or strapless necklines. Belted details, ball gown style A-line or peplum skirts. Avoid pencil skirts or designs that taper at the legs, as they can create an unbalanced look. Complete your look with matching shoes, accessories, and a chic bag for flawless elegance.